Dear students, today I am going to teach you types of function. So types of function here are one-to-one function, many-to-one function, onto function and into function. So that we have got four types: one-to-one, many-to-one, onto, into. So one-to-one function, this and this are one-to-one function, this and this many-to-one function, this and this onto function, this and this into function. So in this way we can write this as one-to-one onto function, this is many-to-one onto function, this is one-to-one into function, this is many-to-one into function. So by combination also we have got four type, and single if you define, that is also four type. So both ways I will tell you how to define this one. See, look at here. If you look at this example here, this is codomain set B. Let us say set B codomain set A. Also set A, set B, set A, set B. We can write like this: set A, set B. This is first set domain. This is codomain. This is domain, codomain. So here codomain contain the elements A, B, C, and range also contain A, B, C. So in this function, codomain and range they are same. Similarly in this, look at here, codomain contain A, B, C, and range also contain A, B, C. So codomain and range are equal. So these two functions are onto function. So we can define onto function like this: onto function a function is said to be onto function if, look at here, a function is said to be onto function if range is equal to codomain. So this is the definition of onto function. We can define onto function this way. Similarly now into function. We'll move to into function. Into function. Okay, into function. Look at these two examples. See, into. Why into? Look at here. Here our range contain the elements A, B and D, but codomain contain the elements A, B, C, D. So what happened now? The range is the proper subset of codomain, because this codomain contain one element more, C is extra there. So range is proper subset of codomain. Here also see, range contain two elements A and B, codomain contain A, B, C. Yes, understood? Range are equals to here A and B only, but codomain is equals to here we have got A, B and C. So this is proper subset of this one. So range is proper subset of this one. Then in this condition the function is said to be into function. So we can define like this: a function is said to be into function if range is proper subset of codomain. Codomain. If range is proper subset of codomain, then the function is called into function. Now we will move to another one now, one-to-one function. Look at these two examples again. One-to-one function. See, this is one-to-one, this is also one-to-one. If you look at here, in this case, see, this codomain contain A, B, C. Every element of range, see, A, B, C are the element of range also. Every element of range has only one pre-image in the domain C. Here also every element of range has only one pre-image in the domain, then the function is called one-to-one function. So one-to-one function, let us define now. 1 2 1 function. Yes, there also a function is said to be 1-to-1 function if every element of range has only one, that means single pre-image. Then it's called one-to-one function. So we get one-to-one function also like this. Into function, onto function, and one-to-one function we have defined. Now after this we have to define now many-to-one function. Many-to-one. Let us define many-to-one function also. Now look at this example again. Look at here. Many-to-one function, this and this. See many-to-one, how it is many-to-one? Here the element in the range are A, B and C. So at least one element has got more than one pre-image. See here also one image has got more than one pre-image. Sometimes you may get more than one image might have got more than one pre-image also. Sometimes one, but minimum one should have got more than one pre-image, then it is many-to-one. Understood? Here A has got many pre-images, here also A has got many pre-images. Sometimes A and B both might have got more than one pre-image also. In that condition also it will be what? Many-to-one. Suppose if here is 4 and again 4 is joined with B. See B has got also many more than one pre-image. A has also got more than one pre-image. In this condition we will say this is many-to-one. So at least one image should have more than one pre-image, then it is many-to-one function. So we can define like this. A function, let us define here, a function is said to be many-to-one function if at least one image has more than one pre-image. Okay, in this way we can define many-to-one function also. So sometimes you may ask in combination form also, then what is one-to-one onto function? Then we can define like this. One-to-one function already we have defined here. One-to-one function is a function is said to be one-to-one function if every image has only one pre-image and codomain is equal to range, that is one-to-one onto function. Similarly, one-to-one into if every image has only one pre-image and range is proper subset of codomain, then it is one-to-one into. Similarly, we can define here in the combination form many-to-one onto also. To define many-to-one onto, a function is said to be many-to-one onto if range is equal to codomain and at least one image has more than one pre-image. Okay. Similarly, we can define many-to-one into function also. A function is said to be many-to-one into function if at least one image has more than one pre-image and range is proper subset of codomain, then it is the many-to-one into function. In this way, we can define all four type of function. Single way also we can define, or in combination form also, 1 to 1, unto, 1 to 1, into, many to 1, unto, many to 1, into, that also. Thus two definition you combine, then you will get combination of definition also. Thank you for watching this video.